University of Nebraska punter Sam Foltz and former Michigan State punter Mike Sadler were killed in a car crash when they were returning home from a kicking camp in Wisconsin on Saturday. LSU kicker Colby DeLause was also in the car and was taken to the hospital where he needed stitches and suffered burns to his legs. According to police, Sadler was driving the car when it lost control on wet pavement. The crash remains under investigation. Foltz won Nebraska's Student Athlete Hero Leadership Award in 2016, while Sadler was the first Spartan in school history to earn all academic honors 4 times.